Oh my gosh, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again.
Welcome to my channel, JasZ. This is the look that we're going to get into today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more. Alright, step one, we're going to go ahead and get our brows done using this Anastasia brow pencil. Brushing our brows up, shaping them to your natural shape or however you want them shaped, of course. Now we're going to go ahead and take this pencil on the other end of it and line my brow up to the desired shape. I'm going to do that for both sides. So here's a little close up here. As you can see, my brow hairs are super thick. I mean, my hair is thick, period. So I'm going to go ahead and fill them in. Not too heavy-handed. You just want a natural type of fade look. You got to brush that product in to the brow. Now we're going to take our concealer by LA Girl and go around the brow to clean it up. Alright, just cleaning my brow up with my concealer. And I'm doing it for the top and bottom to get the perfect shape that I want. It looks a little messy, so don't judge me. It's all about the final product. I'm going to go ahead and go in now with my concealer by LA Girl to use this as my eyeshadow base. And we're going to blend that out to the gods. Okay. Now I'm using my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start in the crease right there. Right in the crease, we're going to build that color up on both sides of the eye, just in the crease. Okay. Here is a close-up so you can see right where I'm putting this and how the brush is moving. Speed it up. Little speed up. Skirt. Alright. So as you can see, I'm just getting those harsh lines out using my Juvia's Place palette, bringing another color in to really define. Sorry about the outside noise because they cut grass at any time of the day. So that's what's going on right here by my sliding glass door. So I took a darker color from a different palette, Juvia's Place palette, and putting that in the corners. And we're going to blend that out so we don't have any like harsh lines. And yeah. So we're still blending. Now I'm going to take this concealer and make me a little spot right here. I'm not going to go ahead and cut the crease or anything, but we are going to make a spot here for another color to, you know, help it pop. So with my flat brush here, I'm just taking my concealer and just spreading that spot out the way that I want it. And we're, of course, going to do on the other side. Now, I'm patting this color from my Juvia's Place on. It's like an emerald color to that spot that I made, and we're going to blend that out a little bit. To your desired. Now, after I blended the green emerald color out, I'm taking that same brush that I used for that darker color and just moving a little fast. And I blended it a little bit more. Now, I just added some little shimmer, like a highlight under my brow. So when the light hits, it hits me in all the right places. So I felt like I needed some liquid eyeshadow, so I put this on top of the emerald and just, you know, made it shine a little bit more. Now I'm going to hydrate my face and my sponge with my rose water. Adding my oil primer to my face here so my makeup can stay on all day. I'm fairly dry, so that helps me out. Now, we're going in with the Fenty. I'm color 410. I live by this foundation. I just love it because it's a buildable foundation. You can just be full coverage or medium or, you know, whatever you're feeling that day, that's what you can get. Blend to the gods. Blend, blend, blend. Ladies, please bring it down to the neck. I'm probably not going to show you that I did that, but that face to the neck ratio, come on. We just got to blend, y'all. We trying to be the same, you know, from top to the neck, to at least the shirt line. So I'm going to go in with my highlight with my concealer Fawn by LA Girl, and we're going to put that under my eyes. Okay. Those are the spots that I do, and I continue to spray my beauty blender to keep it damp with my rose water, because like I said, I'm really dry, so I just try to hydrate all the way through my routines of my face. So now here, coming up, I'm blending to the gods. I blend to the gods, period. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and bake. I got a little attitude. Look at that. I'm at my friend's house doing this, and she's doing a client's hair. So we're going to put that under the eye. This is by Pretty Vulgar. This is my setting powder that I use. And actually, you got this in my BoxyCharm box. It's like a monthly subscription. I can't talk, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. Cheeks. You want to start at the top of the ear. Boom. Line it up. Bring it around. Bring it around. This is how I do it. I recorded this video a while ago, so when I do another one, y'all will see how I just do things in different steps now. But that will be coming up in my future videos. Contouring that nose. My nose is already baby small, so I don't really do too much to it. Now we're going to blend that contour out. I use a cream contour stick, I believe, for this one. Blend that out, blend, blend, blend. Baby girl is thirsty, so that's me being parched, okay? That Yeti keeps my water cold all the time. Back to blending, back to blending. I don't play about the blend. We do not play. Please blend, you know? Alright, my nose. I simply just take this little thick fan brush and just go in like that until it gets the contour that I want for my nose. I'm not the type of person that likes a dark contour at all, so I just do like a little natural. You always want to make sure it's connecting to your brow right there, so it's like a full contour, and just blend that out really well. So I go back on top of my creams. I always put a powder. This one's from Black Radiance. You can get that at Walmart, Walgreens, Rite Aid, wherever, the hair store. My Fit Me number 355. I'm going to go in with that and kind of get that powder off of me there. All over. I was like zoomed in. Had to zoom out. I was too close. I feel like I'd be too close to the screen, and it's just like, why am I recording this so close, right? So I'm going to take some of that eyeshadow. I believe it's the green. I'm going under my eye to complete the look out. You always want to fill the eye up there. So it's flawless and everything is close together. And this is Rihanna's eyeliner that I added, and I put mascara on. I did that kind of quick because it's hard for me, so you guys will see more of that. Here's some more highlighter because I just love to glow. I love to glow, and that's by Wet n Wild. Down the bridge of my nose with my finger and my brush. I'm just so extra. And just, your Cupid's bow. Get that. We're going in with a lip pencil by MAC. And then my Fenty lip gloss on top. It's my favorite. And here you are. It's a little look. It's a vibe, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See y'all later.